boys, we are up. Let's go. Oh, Mark 7 GTI. Got the carbon fiber brace. Oh, wait. Oh. Whoops, just throw that. You know, my favorite thing is like when I washed this yesterday and it looks like this. That's pretty neat. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. We're building my Mark 7 building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast, have a good time, putting positivity into the car community, one video at a time, my guy. If you guys are new here, I highly recommend go down there, hit that subscribe button, join us, leave a thumbs up. If you like this video, wait till the end if you want, that's okay. We're trying to hit 10,000 subs, and that's the next milestone for the channel, and we're cooking along. So today, I have an idea. We're gonna go look at a 360 view camera for like hanging it off the top and like being able to see the car and stuff and see what it do. We're gonna do a POV drive. It's that time of the month again. You already know. It's like my favorite video to film. I love doing POVs and I love ripping, and like we always run into the homies. It's Saturday, it's nice out, boost weather, it's like 50 degrees, money. Enough talking, let's go get it. A juicy cold start for the boys. All right, let's party. Yeah, dude, 48 degrees, nothing but boost weather. Let's get it. Let her warm up a little bit. Go get some petrol. I miss you guys, bro. Been busy at work all week. Been cranking out shit. Yeah, we'll get some gas, we'll go wash it up, we'll go hit some mountain roads, we'll go check out the 360 view camera and see if we end up getting it. And if we do, you already know we're gonna get some reactions, we're gonna see if we can get some runs in, you know, it's a POV day, bro, let's go. I think it's almost time for a new GoPro too, dude. This thing, she has seen her days. It just randomly shuts off literally all the time. But we'll keep sending it with it. Dude, she's the original GoPro. This is what started the whole channel. Is this GoPro and this GTI. That's actually so sick. That's kind of cool to think about. I'm on a pickle chip grind. Ugh, so good. Ow. Yo, for the boys, a couple of gratatas. Oh, cute boy. Oh, cute boy. In the back, I see him. What's up, alpha boys? Okay, S-Class, I see you. Oh, dude, I feel so bad when I rip by people because like the sound bounces off their cars so loud. Say what's good to the town fair boys. Oh, nobody's out. Damn. Yo, Tarjay? Tarjay is bumping, bro. Why there's so many? There's never cars here, and now all of a sudden, like, what? You're gonna ruin my tunnel. God. Just took my neck for an absolute ride. Oh, we on low boost, boy. Who would like to get their cheeks clapped? Yo, this thing's gonna be such a menace. We get the clutch and the oh, I almost said what turbo we were doing, oh my god. When we get the new turbo and the clutch, oh my god, dude, this thing is gonna be an absolute sleeper. I'm so hyped. Go down there and hit that like button if you guys are hyped about the build, bro. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what this thing will do. So, just to further prove my point, I just washed this. Look, it's raining. Love it. Sick. Awesome. These are all the words I would describe my time with right now. they didn't have the one that I was trying to get. They have like the new GoPro Hero 360 View or whatever it's called. Ooh, Veloster N over there, I see you. And that one's 500 bucks and the other one is like 450. And I've heard that the other one's a little bit better and they didn't have it there, so we'll just wait. I'll probably just end up ordering it. Yo, that's a slam Tesla? What the hell? It totally was too. That was sick. All right, well, traction's just not gonna be an option, obviously, because it's fucking raining, so that'll just make things a little more interesting. Come on, come on, come on. Holy shit! Yeah. I can feel the tingling in my phalanges. Heyo, lost her in, looks good. Why are we going 20 on the on-ramp? What the hell? What are we doing here? Let's get some downshifts. Just kidding, let's get soaked. For the boys. All right, let's get some action. It's frickin' Dak, boys. Should I just go like full send, window down? Yeah, fuck it. That is so loud. Right turn, right 3, left 2, beautiful view. Leaves on the road, oh god. Sorry. Ooh, that wasn't good. I think she came down to the end of the road just to see what my car looked like. Okay, boys, time to go home. Gotta love it. Yo. Oh my god. Little update for you guys. It is absolutely downpouring. Traffic's going 40 on the interstate. And I've almost gotten hit like 3 times, so
came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they no longer.
Oh, boys, we are fucked up. Let's go. Yellow. We're alrighty, bros. Yeah, we are back home. The rain was really bad. Everything was super river-ish. Yeah, I almost got hit twice, and I decided to call it. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to end this video here. My eye looks disgusting. Today was kind of a bust, but that's all right. We got some good pulls, got some good runs in. Stay tuned. I can't wait. We got a lot of mods coming, a lot of big stuff coming. And yeah, just be patient. Shit's kind of hard with me. Like, I'm trying to do work and film and do everything at one time and make sure I get you guys the best content. And obviously you guys know that mods are like super backed up for any kind of aftermarket stuff for your car or even regular stuff. So until next time, keep driving, keep it real. Go out there and rip it for me. I hope you guys have a good day.
Peace.